What's up, YouTube? Just making a quick video to wish you guys a Merry Christmas. It's 11:17 right now. There's like nothing to do at my house, so just making a video. It's really extreme winter weather outside. Wednesday night snowed like a foot of snow. Woke up, foot of snow like that big. It's crazy. Yeah, and then this morning I woke up at like 3 in the morning because I couldn't sleep, and it was like freaking raining outside. It still is raining outside, so it's pretty dangerous driving around. I still got snow blow. It's my job. But yeah, I just want to make a video like sometime this week showing you all my Christmas presents. I already got one. I'm sitting on it. It's really sweet. But yeah, I'm sure I'm gonna get like tons of gift cards because that's what I asked for, and I'll go out and buy stuff and then unbox it and stuff for you guys. It'd be pretty sweet. And Chris Perillo's little like Christmas videos today, saying the winner. I don't think he's even up yet because it's still dark at his live show. So yeah, I'll just give you guys a little sneak peek to what the weather looks like. It's pretty epic. Yeah, I don't know if you'll see this very good with this crappy camera. It's all fake. Yeah, so there's like ice on my window pretty much. Kinda sucks. Yeah, there's like freaking like 3-foot snowbanks, it looks like. It's gonna suck trying to snowblow that. Yeah, anyways, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, and I'm gonna make a Weed Boy video this week. It's gonna be pretty funny. Yeah, so see you guys later.